Hello world. Hello everybody. Check this out. I tell you what, boy, it came in and like a freight train, it's still going. It is kicking. Anyone out to the east, boy, when this gets you. Look at this. So windy. Blew off my rag. Now that's some wind. I'm telling you, it's so sandy. It's hitting your head through thick and thin. Anyway, let's move on. I'm looking for it. It came off my head. I had to pull it off. There it is. Seeing the good thing about it too is if it blows, it'll just get caught up in something or lay flat on the ground and you can come and get it. See? It ain't like a hat that would be blown and gone. Wow, my nose going off. I got most of the tarp, but this red thing, the brace, stops me from going any further. There's a real drawback, but I don't think, you know, the boy sure is giving it a run. I'm really considering. But man, that's a lot. Now it's windy. Clouds moving in from the north. Oh, look at it. Blew over my thing. Blew all the stuff, all the leaves off. Best is yet to come. Oh my God. This here mesquite tree, boy. Didn't think of that. If it comes this way, I'm done. It's an old dead mesquite tree too. I think maybe if we get through this, we're gonna have to deal with it. Alrighty then. We're in a heck of a blow, boy. Yeehaw! And then they say it's going to be storms over the Thanksgiving week, you know, holiday. Rain and snow for us. Sweet. Alright. That's it. By your wits, not by your worries. Watch out to the east, boy. This is a good one. All right. Peace. Bye.